I guess everybody remembered what template we created in the previous video. This template looked like this in the previous video. The previous video it's some sharper and it's a little different, but what we are going to learn how to create this template. Okay, it's easy. We just need to find some picture. I have the picture that I downloaded. Okay, the picture must be here. It's not here, but it must be somewhere here, I think. Okay, I downloaded and it's here, I think. Well, let me just drag it to our file. Okay, our picture is here. We need to create this effect. How we can create that? We create a new slide, and this slide we create some shapes. Easily just shapes, and we just copy them to have a same size and everything in the same. I just holding Ctrl and Shift for the better quality for the easier copying. You need to press Ctrl and Shift, it helps a lot. Okay, another time, and it's done. Now I press Ctrl A and group them. It's completely like in a last video. We group them and paste them in the middle. Now we need to create a circle. Press Ctrl and Shift and create your circle. You see the circle has been created, but the curve is a little. We need to make it bigger. Now we have the curve that we want. We regroup the shape, ungroup it, and select all of them by Ctrl A and set to fragment. Now we delete our big shape. Now we select all of them, go here, no outline, and we control our shape, put it back, select all of them, go to shape format and set fragment. You see the result is not you want. Because of what? Because you first select the shape and then press Ctrl A, go to fragment. Now your fragment has been created. You see it's really great to see, but for shape like mountain it works better. Now we have our shape, we add our text. The text is just simple one, and your university or workplace icon here. Now we just copy that and paste it. We need to create the transition. We select all of them, press Shift and put them up. Now we need to do something for that, for the being easy of yourself. Wait a little, my system got crashed. Okay, I don't know why, but it's crashed. Okay, now put this shape up because of you being easy of yourself, and select all of them, put them upper, select by Control and put them topper. Now we need to 2 by 2 bring them down. Okay, bring them another layer down, select them, bring them another layer down, select them, bring them another layer down, select them, select them by Control, bring them another layer down, and another layer down. Now we put it back here, send the transition to morph, and now just see the magic. You see how amazing is it. You can also put this too down for the better view. Now your presentation is ready. Okay everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. Until the next lesson, have a nice